That wasn't a regular happy kick to the door today, boys. That was a I'm pissed off kick. You know, today started off like any other day, except a little bit better. Sun's shining, I put on an extra large tank top that I haven't fitted in a few years because I was fat. Today I'm finally feeling a little healthy for once. The sun's shining, I get a text on my phone though I knew about this. I had to go pick up a package, also a happy freaking thought, right? Great, we're getting a package for today's video, hopefully. Well, little did I know, this day was about to come to an end with a quick swift kick to my ball sack. Figuratively. Nobody physically kicks Brad in the balls and gets away with it. I got this package. We're gonna have to talk about this one. God damn. Back in action, we're back in the action, boys. Boys, if you want to give this video a huge thumbs up, comment down below. It really helps the channel so much. So just thumbs up and comment. It takes 2 seconds. Also, if you do that and get 2,000 thumbs up within the day, we're giving away this free Butts Down Diamond watch from a company we're not going to name because they're not paying me for it. All you got to do is thumbs up, comment. My Instagram's right here. Let me know when you did it. Now let's get into this video. I got a quick story along with this one that I didn't expect to tell today. Ever, honestly. Thought this scenario would never happen. Now, quick little preface to why I'm a little pissed off. I'm not that pissed off, but like, I lost a lot of money on this. As much as I spend money in my videos, I really like money. You know what I mean? I like to save that stuff a little bit. Anyway, y'all are like, Bran, you're always in a good mood sometimes, so I ain't in a bad mood right now. Well, how do we make this long story short? It might have been 3 months ago, 4 months ago, 5 months ago. One of you guys hit me up on Instagram. Now, keep in mind, through Instagram, I'd say 75% of my videos of me unboxing stuff come from you guys sending me links. I just love doing that. That just shows me you want to see it, and it honestly makes a little less work for me. 4, 5, 6 months ago, whatever it was, somebody hit me with the link. I ain't gonna blast you, bro, because I remember who you are. Just kidding, I don't. That's not your fault. I'm saying that 6ix9ine has some new merch out, and they're selling jewelry. So I go on this website, I click the link, I find his merch, I'm like, oh, that's Gooba merch from his new drop. Everything looks mad legit. Jewelry, no kidding. We got a sick video. I bought it. I don't know how much I spent. Can't remember how much I spent, to be honest. And a few days later, I don't know what happened. Don't really remember, but I remember figuring out that this was another one of, and this happens a lot, another one of these websites where somebody just made it based off this rapper's name, but they're selling their fake merch. This happened to us in Lil Tecca. I bought his merch off some apparent fake website of his. He commented back and called me a goofy. I guess he didn't like that. What does a goofy mean? That was weird. It was a weird interaction to get from him. So anyway, yeah, I found out I was just shopping on another one of these fake websites again. Automatically, I'm like, okay, well, I'll just cancel my order. And I did. So I thought, I go to the post office today, I spend $150 alone just on the Canadian taxes to get this thing in my hands. At this point, I got no idea what we're unboxing. I get in the car, I look at this, I'm like, what is this for today? Oh yeah, it's the jacket I ordered from this fake website. Apparently my order wasn't canceled. If I spent $150 Canadian tax on this package, I must have spent, I don't know, like 500 bucks on this crap. So we're unboxing it because I honestly can't really remember what I got. Like, it's not like a bad video, I guess, but I'm just mad because it's fake. Like, I can't sell this on eBay and make some money back. So anyway, here's 6ix9ine's new merch from his website that wasn't his. And there's jewelry, I guess. I think I remember getting jewelry. And a frickin' jacket. Let's get into it, boys. My bad. Brian doesn't shop too well when he's little, which I don't promote. Alright, boys, negativity aside, let's get into this package. I thought this was going to be a different video for today. I know we've done a lot of 6ix9ine lately, and my bad. I ordered this 5 months ago and thought it was canceled. We're not going to not open it though, because I am kind of curious to see what a fake 6ix9ine merch looks like from one of these websites, and I guarantee it doesn't pack it in a goddamn plastic garbage bag. God, shoot. This is it. I thought I had, oh, there is jewelry. Okay, there is jewelry. I did see a big piece. I can't remember what I got. I actually, just before filming this video, when I was in the car, looked at if I could find that website again. Can't find it anywhere. Although, even if I wanted to, I don't know if I could. Then we got jewelry. Okay, before I look at that, here's one thing that I was actually very stoked to get, not to wear, thinking it was real, was this, because I thought you guys would want to see it. This was the same time Gooba came out, and I was like, awesome. You guys might want to see 6ix9ine's merch. This is before everyone really hated him, so keep in mind, I didn't know that you guys might hate to see this now. This is not that. What the f? Oh god, okay. It looked like J-I-Z stains on this thing, man. It's just a little plastic. So here's the jacket I got. I don't even know how much I spent on it. God damn it, man. Please hit the thumbs up button, boys. I gotta make money back. Hopefully there's some cool jewelry in there. Is this fake even? Boys, I'm just looking. Now I'm having second thoughts about everything. This might even just be his merch. Maybe it was a different site that had his link, because I've never seen something fake. Like, we have the frickin' zip-off hood. Sorry, anyway, here's the piece. You guys might remember he was wearing these, I think in his Gooba video or one of them. My God, the quality's immaculate. I'm not gonna wear the damn thing. It looked like a goddamn yellow Oompa Loompa, or like a giant lemon, but it's really good quality. I might be wrong, boys. I might have just started shooting out my mouth way too fast, because even this right here, this thing is amazing quality, actually. The hood zips off. I don't know if I restart that intro. I think we actually did buy off his website. That's my bad. We have trolls right here. Okay, so this was off the trolls drop, I guess. Huh, puffer jacket. Cool, we don't care. Let's get on to the jewelry. Which, although no, because then I went on his website and he didn't have any jewelry on it unless it sold out. Alright. That's weird. Anyway, boys, we have jewelry in here. That's almost laughable. That is laughable. Yeah, that's okay. This looks... It's definitely from a fake one. I can't even be mad. I'm mad. I'm mad about my money spent. I'm not gonna lie. Look at this. First off, drop shipping label. Anything like this, drop ship for sure. Boys, they got the goddamn chain wrong. I guarantee you when I was on this website, I would not have, maybe I would have bought this. Maybe I don't know. It was so long ago. I don't remember anything. I don't know if they're trying to do his jigsaw pendant with this one, boys, but this might be the worst quality pendant, first off, I've ever seen in my mouth. That's not jigsaw. That's Jason Voorhees. Oh my God, I saw another thing. I don't even want to look at that. I don't know what this, okay, so we have grills. What the shit? This is usually what grills come in, a plastic thing like this. I've never seen good. What the hell did I buy? For a lot of money. Whoa, I'm actually gonna... Look at that! What is this? I guarantee, maybe if I thought it was 6IX's website, I would have bought anything off it, to be honest. But, okay, this is how regular grills are. These are still fake and horrible quality. Look at this one. What in the hell was I shopping on? Oh, God. I don't even know. And, okay. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. What in the frick? I wish I remembered more. I wish I screen recorded what I was shopping for, but maybe they could have had this advertised and I'm like, it's maybe, I don't know, I'm just thinking of what I would have did. What the f is this? I don't know what I was thinking. I honestly don't really remember too much of this until I just like hit a light bulb in my head when I saw that jacket through the package a little bit of this happening. This, maybe, I don't even know. I don't know what the hell this is. I wouldn't have ordered this unless I guess I thought 6IX had put it out. Maybe I did. Maybe I thought it was a replica of his, like, his shark chain, that big chain that he has with the shark pendant. $150 just on taxes, boys. For this tooth, and a dumb jacket. If you guys shopped on this website, please leave a link down below of what it was, if it's still up. Because once again, I couldn't find anything, but I didn't know what to look for anyway. I just searched up 6IX merch and couldn't find it. So, if you guys got, let me know. This is throwing me off, though. This looks good. Also, here's another thing. There's no tags on it. There's no tags on it. And I guarantee there would be tags on it, so who knows? That's stupid. That ruined my day. Not really. But a little bit. Bye.